Okay, so what mass of CO2 is produced when 25 milliliters sample of ethanol, which has a density of such, combusts? And so really we're just putting one little step, a unit conversion, a little bit of a unit work, right? Before what we've normally been doing. Okay, so again, what do we want? Mass of CO2. So question mark grams CO2, right? And we have 25 milliliters of ethanol, right? And we have a number that's called density of 0.789 grams per milliliter, right?
So ethanol is C2H5.
Yeah, that's that one right there. And if you ever don't know what this compound is, just use context. So it combusts, meaning that's burning, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Plus, you guys know everything else, so by exclusion. Okay, and so what you're going to do is you're going to take this milliliters, right? You're going to multiply it by this number here, and that would give you grams. And so then you'd have grams of ethanol. Whenever you have a question, just let me know. What I'll do is I'll just bounce back and forth. Awesome. Honestly, that's good. That's never a negative. That's always positive.
Okay, so how many grams of ethanol?
Yep. So you get your grams of ethanol after you do that, right? Did you get your number? You got it. Yeah. You do the same thing you've been doing before. Yeah. You just take those moles.
Now I do what I can do.
Yeah, pretty much. Once you get about halfway through this assignment, these problems become just like
it's just like
a programming
that
right?
I was not related to the,
Yeah, you. So what I always recommend is just using unit conversions. So if you see you have milliliters here, and you look down here and there's grams per milliliter, divide by milliliter, then take those units and sort of play with them, think about them. See, milliliters cancel, give you grams, don't they? Okay, anyways, you get your grams, you take your, I'm just gonna finish this up on here because you're good. Okay, so you get your grams, you take your molecular weight for this ethanol here by taking your periodic table, 12 times 2, 1 times 5, 16, and plus 1. Add those together, that will give you your molecular weight for ethanol. You take those grams, divide it by that molecular weight you got off the periodic table. That'll give you moles. Whatever number of moles you got, you're going to have to go times 2. And that'll be your number of moles of CO2. And that's because you have 2 CO2s for 1 ethanol. And then you're going to have moles of ethanol or CO2 at that point. You again are going to just get your molecular weight here. So 12 plus 16 times 2. And you're going to take that number and you will multiply that times the number of moles of CO2 that you had gotten. And that's it. Did you beat me? No?